Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth and Boxes. Join me while we go through the February Macy's Beauty Box. If you are not familiar with the Macy's Beauty subscription, it is a $15 a month subscription box that you will get beauty samples from Macy's along with a $5 coupon to use in the beauty department at Macy's. So it's a really good deal. Let's see what's inside this one. And oh my gosh, it's sticky. Oh, it's so cute. Okay. The box kind of comes apart like origami, so let's see. Okay, so the first one, this is, we have a red and a pink heart hair clip. I know just who I'm going to give these to. These are very cute. So this would be a full-size item. We don't always get a full-size item in a Macy's box. Usually it's just samples. So this is really cool. Ooh, we got an Elemis Pro Collagen Rose Cleansing Balm, and that's a good size sample size. And this says it is a super cleansing treatment balm. So this would be a cleanser for your skin, your first step of your beauty routine. Just use this for your cleanser. The next things we have are wrapped up in tissue paper. Oh my gosh, they got it wrapped up so pretty. Okay, let's see. Lots and lots and lots and lots of tissue paper. Can you imagine being the person that had to wrap this 15 times over and over and over? Okay, let's see. Okay, so I'm going to dump all this out in the box. Or the next thing we got is an Estee Lauder Peptide Power Serum Primer. So we got a primer from Estee Lauder. Very nice. We got an NYX Smooth Whip matte lip cream, and the outside is really red. I'm curious to see what this looks like. The inside looks pretty red too. Ooh, that's really a pretty color. It's a really pinky red, if that's a thing. It's a really, really pretty color. I don't always wear red, maybe raspberry. It looks a lot brighter on the camera than it does actually, but I would definitely call that a raspberry. I do have, actually, I have some things I can wear this with, so that's really fun. I don't know that I have that color currently in my pile of makeup, so that's a good one to have. The next thing is from Smashbox, and this is another lipstick. So we got a little sample of a Smashbox lipstick, and this is obviously a real neutral color. I've already wiped off the red one. This is a really taupey. Ooh, that's pretty. I almost want to call that, it's taupey, but it's got a hint of like a pinky gray undertone. It's kind of a gray pink taupe, if that's a color. That's really pretty. I like that. Okay, so then we got that, and so that was our 5 samples. They always will also send you, oh no, okay, there's more. I thought this was a perfume. We have the MAC Ditch Your False Lashes Fiber Mascara. So we have a MAC Magic Extension Fiber Mascara sample. That's really cool. And it is taped in there good. So Magic Extensions mascara. Let's see what this wand field looks like. A nice fluffy wand. I'm going to try that. I don't know that I've tried a MAC. I don't know if I've had a MAC mascara in a while. I just got a whiff of that too. Let me see. I don't usually smell mascaras. But that's got a nice fragrance for a mascara. Okay, so we've got a MAC mascara. So we've got the clips, mascara, the Elemis cream. We got 2 lipsticks and a primer, and they always will send you a perfume sample, a fragrance sample. This is Jean Paul Gaultier, and this is Eau de Parfum Natural Spray, and this is not, okay, this is a Lily Radiating with Beauty, a divinely airy meringue over a fresh, soft, salted kiss, a divine scent. So they promise a lot for this fragrance. Let me see what it smells like. Ooh, it does smell nice. It's sweet. It's got a teeny bit of You do smell the floral, but that's a very nice one. I'm going to have to try that. I got, then the last box, we got the Versace Dylan Purple sample, and that one smelled amazing. I tried it. At the time that we got it, my sister actually had COVID and she couldn't smell. So I tried to save her some so she could try it when she could smell again. And I didn't save her quite enough for her to be able to test it out, whether she could wear it long term or not. We have to wear a perfume, try it out before we actually could buy the full-size bottles. So when I was at the mall doing my Why Are We Paying for Samples project video that I've already posted, you guys should check it out. I did stop by the Versace counter and they made her up a little sample of the Dylan Purple, so she's able to try it now and see if she can wear it as a permanent fragrance. I will say though, she's fully in love with the Barbie fragrance from the Ipsy unboxing. That stuff's amazing. So that's our Macy's box for February, you guys. This was a good one. $12 plus we'll get, actually, you know what? I didn't get a coupon in this box. I will probably have to reach out to the Macy's customer service because I was looking forward to using that coupon. But I didn't use my last one. I think I lost it. So I was looking forward to using this one. Plus, I really think they were supposed to have given us 2 perfume samples, although I'm not going to fuss about an extra free sample. But I would like to have my $5 coupon. I did want to give you an update too on the last Macy's box, and I think this is actually only my second Macy's box as I'm remembering. But in my first Macy's box, it came with those hand masks. I like those so well. I ordered more from Macy's. They were great. I used one. My hands have been rough. They've been so chapped and would snag on clothes just right across my knuckles on both hands. And I used one of those hand masks 2 nights ago. My hands are still soft. They're from Tony Moly, which I did a Korean beauty video as well, and I didn't realize when I got that Tony Moly is a Korean skincare brand. So that stuff's good, you guys. You need to try it out. But the hand masks, that's where it's at. I'm really a fan of those. You guys have a great rest of your day. Please hit subscribe, hit the notifications bell, hit the like, share my channel with your family and friends who you think might also enjoy the content. I would really appreciate the support to help grow the channel. For now, you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye-bye.